Hi, this is 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐬𝐭𝐢𝐧𝐠. We have new listing 1729 Burnett in 𝐂𝐚𝐣𝐨𝐽. Let me show you around. It's a beautiful large home, 4-bedroom and 2-bathroom. Come in. As you enter, we have here the guest room and then the kitchen area. The kitchen area is split between the dining room and the kitchen area, and we have the kitchen countertops as granite and stainless steel appliances. The finished garage, fully drywalled, paint and epoxy floors with custom cabinet all over. And we have the washer and dryer. From the living room, we go to the hallway that has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We start with the first bedroom and the first bath. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And from the third bedroom, we have the master bedroom suite. From the master bedroom to the backyard, and we have a huge hardscape patio with covered trellis. It's beautiful, nice, and we have a fire pit here, perfect for your family gathering and enjoying the nights. And over here we have a big backyard with a lot of fruit trees and citrus trees.